What's the meaning of control freak? Control freak. Control freak.
Control freak. Control freak. A control freak is someone who has an excessive need for control over people or situations. They want things to be done their way and are often unwilling to delegate tasks or compromise with others. This behavior can lead to strained relationships, as others may feel oppressed or resentful towards the control freak. Additionally, the control freak may experience high levels of stress and anxiety due to their need for control, which can ultimately negatively impact their own well-being.